Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best turntables under $200 that are available on the market right now. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or a beginner looking to dive into the world of records, we've got detailed reviews for each product to help you make the right choice. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. At number 5, we have the Fancy Rabbit vinyl record player with speakers, HP H2410. This turntable is designed for vinyl enthusiasts who appreciate modern features blended with classic functionality. It operates at 2 speeds, 33 and 45 RPM, and supports all 3 standard record sizes, 7 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. The standout feature here is the magnetic cartridge, AT360L. An adjustable counterweight, which provide excellent tracking precision for clear, distortion-free playback. The built-in Bluetooth 5.0 functionality allows for seamless wireless streaming, while the 4 built-in stereo speakers, 2 tweeters and 2 mid-bass, deliver a well-rounded soundstage. In terms of design, the Fancy Rabbit turntable boasts a sleek natural wood finish with metal and plastic accents. This modern aesthetic gives it a premium look and feel, though it's on the heavier side, weighing 18.16 pounds. The adjustable counterweight and universal headshell make it appealing for those who want to experiment with different cartridges. However, because of its larger size, this model might be better suited for a dedicated listening space rather than a portable setup. While the sound quality is impressive for the price, the lack of a 78 RPM speed limits its versatility for playing older records. Additionally, it's on the higher end of the weight spectrum, which could be a drawback for some users. Overall, the Fancy Rabbit is a great choice for those looking for an all-in-one unit with high-fidelity sound and a focus on modern connectivity. If you're someone who values premium sound quality over portability, this could be your pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Retrolife vinyl record player. This portable suitcase-style turntable is perfect for beginners and anyone looking for a compact and stylish option. The design screams vintage charm with its black PU leather finish and bronze accents, while the built-in handle makes it easy to carry around. It supports 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and plays records in all 3 sizes. The anti-resonance belt drive system ensures smooth playback, making it a reliable choice for casual listeners. The Retrolife turntable includes built-in Bluetooth speakers, which allow you to wirelessly stream music from your phone or tablet. It also features RCA and aux connections for hooking up external speakers or non-Bluetooth devices. The addition of a headphone jack gives you the option for private listening, making this a versatile pick for small spaces like bedrooms or offices. However, the sound quality of the built-in speakers is where this model shows its limitations. While adequate for casual listening, audiophiles might want to use external speakers for a fuller sound. One of the biggest advantages of the Retrolife is its plug-and-play functionality. No extra equipment is required to get started. However, its lightweight build and smaller size mean it's less durable compared to some heavier-duty options. This is a turntable that prioritizes convenience and style over high-end audio fidelity. If you're new to vinyl and want an affordable, portable option, the Retrolife is a strong contender. At number 3, we have the U-Dreamer vinyl record player. This turntable blends retro aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a great gift for both beginners and casual vinyl lovers. It features 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and supports all standard record sizes. Built-in stereo speakers deliver a decent audio experience, though you can connect to external speakers via the RCA output for an improved soundstage. The auto-stop function is a thoughtful addition, ensuring your records don't spin endlessly after playback. The U-Dreamer stands out with its multiple input options. You can play music via Bluetooth, USB, or aux, giving you flexibility beyond just vinyl records. The belt-driven system and anti-vibration design help minimize unwanted noise, and the detachable dust cover keeps your records clean and safe. Its lightweight wooden plastic build makes it portable, though it doesn't feel as premium as heavier models. This turntable is perfect for those who prioritize versatility and user-friendly features. That said, the built-in speakers are more suited for casual listening. They lack the depth and clarity that audiophiles might seek. Additionally, while it supports 78 RPM records, the lightweight tone arm may struggle with the heavier grooves of older vinyl. Overall, the U-Dreamer is an affordable, stylish option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of vinyl without breaking the bank. Our runner-up is the Kotsuko Bluetooth vinyl record player. This vintage-inspired turntable offers a mix of modern tech and classic charm. It supports 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and is compatible with all 3 record sizes. Built-in dual speakers provide adequate sound for casual listening, and you have the option to connect to external speakers via RCA for a richer audio experience. Bluetooth connectivity is a big plus, allowing you to stream music directly from your smartphone or tablet. The design is both functional and attractive, with a brown wood finish that complements its retro aesthetic. The belt-driven anti-vibration system helps reduce noise and ensures smoother playback. The removable dust cover is a thoughtful touch, keeping your records protected from dirt and scratches. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around, but it might not feel as sturdy as some of its heavier counterparts. The Kotsuko shines as an all-in-one solution for casual listeners. However, the sound quality of the built-in speakers is not quite up to par with higher-end models. If you're looking for a stylish, affordable turntable for occasional use or as a decorative piece, the Kotsuko is a great option. Finally, our top pick is the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. This fully automatic belt drive turntable sets the gold standard for entry-level vinyl players. It operates at 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, and features a die-cast aluminum platter for anti-resonance performance. The redesigned tone arm base and head shell improve tracking and reduce vibration, ensuring a clean and accurate listening experience. Plus, the built-in switchable phono preamp makes it compatible with a wide range of speakers and sound systems. In terms of design, the AT-LP60X-BK is sleek and minimalistic, with a durable plastic chassis and a compact footprint that fits well in any space. The included dust cover protects your records and the turntable itself from debris. While it lacks Bluetooth connectivity, the focus here is on high-fidelity playback, making it a favorite among vinyl enthusiasts who value sound quality over extra features. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK is ideal for anyone serious about getting into vinyl. It's simple to set up, user-friendly, and delivers exceptional audio quality for its price. The only downside is its lack of wireless features, which might be a deal-breaker for those looking for modern connectivity. However, if you're all about the sound, this turntable is a clear winner in the under $200 category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this rundown of the top 5 best turntables under $200 helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy listening.